Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. There's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing on here. If you don't like that, well, you have been warned. So stop watching now, because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everyone. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! Indeed it is. Look, all right, so we have a good show for you today. A great show for you today, of course, obviously. Good show. Please. Look. So, all right, so the first story we're going to talk about here, it's not what I would normally talk to you about, but it is valid. It is valid to the whole crypto world, okay? And to tell you the truth, there was only 2 important stories today, and so I had to fill it with one more, and so here we go, fuck sticks. John McAfee launches a trading platform. Oh, hey. You know, I call him the billionaire crackhead. I mean, he is a genius, though. He is a genius, but all right, so we're gonna talk about his platform, but it is, and the platform is actually quite innovative, and that's why we're gonna talk about it. It's not just, I mean, if it were just some regular old exchange, yeah, I wouldn't have talked about it. So anyway, we're gonna get there when we get there. Look, let's do this in a dignified manner. Look. And then now let's get to the money and good stuff. Grayscale. So, Grayscale is a asset manager, crypto asset manager. Look. Grayscale hedge fund investments up 2,300%. Bang! Yes. Here comes the institutional money. Here comes that institutional money that we have been waiting for. And I guess we're still waiting for it, but here comes some of it. And look, the trickle. That's the trickle. And then finally, yes. Oh, yes, of course. So Binance. All right, guys. So Binance is going to stop trading in USA. Yes. But they're actually building a USA exchange. So I'm going to get in depth with that for you, okay? So I'm going to show you about the old Binance, but I'm going to talk to you about the new Binance that's coming. And believe me, this is good news. If you're an American, this is good news, okay? The news couldn't have gotten better. Yeah. Really? Why? Well, this sucks, though. Believe me, bro. When I finish telling you, you'll understand, and then we're going to get to shout-outs to the daily wrap-up, so let's begin. Bang! Look how we begin. Yes. That's just how we begin. With a little bit of refresh. Yes. All right, where are we at? All right, last night we were at 8,249. Right now we're at 8,677 on the Bitcoin. All right. It's a nice little jump, modest little 400 and change jump. All right, look, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Yes, the usual suspects. Indeed. Top 10 of the day, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, Tether, and Stellar. Look, let's look at the total market moves of the day. Looks like single digits up, single digits down. What else is new? Single digits up, single digits down. Hold on, let me get my beverages in order. Yes, let me get the libations in order. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. And single digits up to single digits down. Finally, single digits up to single digits down. All right, let's look who made money. Let's see who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it. It is on sale. Let's see what we got. Not much of a sale today. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Walton Chain, Nano, Nebulous, Komodo, MadeSafe Coin, Zcoin, Insight Chain, Waves, Decred, and Engine Coin. All right, let's see who made money today. All right. Top 10 winners of the day. Qcoin Shares, Nash Exchange, Chainlink, Sentiment Network, Nulls, Vest Chain, Hedge Trade, Thor Coin, Bitcoin, and Neo. All right. All right. Very nice. Let's look at the total market cap of the day. Where are we at? 272.9. And yesterday we were at 262.9. So a healthy $10 billion kick in the market cap. And total volume of the day is 67.9. And we were at 64.3 yesterday. So, it makes sense. You got more volume action. Well, you get a little more price action. So, as to be expected, nothing special. All right. Oops. Let's get to the stories of the day. So, bang. McAfee launches Magic, crypto trading multi-platform and debit card. So, look, this whole platform he's doing, it is quite interesting. You'll be able to, from one account, you'll be able to trade on multiple exchanges at the same time, right? So, from his account, you'll be able to trade on Binance and on Coinbase and on this and that at the same time. So, that's kind of interesting. The thing about this guy is, he's on the run from the cops, right? The IRS has him, are chasing him down right now here in America. And, he's living on a boat here in the Caribbean, so, I don't know. I just don't know how safe those funds would be, but it's an interesting idea. So we're going to read about it. Like I said, I needed a story. So I thought we'd have a fun one. So look, on June 11th, following his latest tirade on social media, John McAfee announced the launch of his new cryptocurrency trading platform called McAfee Magic. The project allows for manual and automated crypto trading across a variety of digital asset exchanges, all displayed in one user interface. Excuse me. According to the website, the service is the second product beside his well-known antivirus software to bear the McAfee name. Yes. That's one thing. He is genius. When I was a kid, McAfee antivirus was the one, right? The cryptocurrency advocate and former antivirus software tycoon John McAfee has launched a digital currency trading platform. The project, called McAfee Magic, is really an access point that combines manual and bot trading across a slew of exchanges in one interface. The website explains that the magic, in the word magic, in his title of the exchange, is being able to quickly make a trade while your present automated bots make hundreds of trades for you on different trading platforms. So do you see, that is pretty cool. Like if you had some bots doing sort of arbitrage for you, arbitrage is buying something at a price on one exchange and then selling it for more on another. That's pretty deep. So that's why I'm reading this. Like, I think this guy's a little wacky. And like I said, he's on the run from the cops. So, if they catch him, he just came out with this thing saying that the CIA and the police chief of the Bahamas were trying to kill him. And that he had terabytes worth of evidence to prove, all sorts of crazy stuff. Yeah, that was like last week. So, you know what I mean? He's a little unhinged, but he is smart, right? Like, just because you're a little wacky doesn't mean you're not fucking smart at what you're doing. So, that's pretty awesome. Like I said, I'm not going to put money on his thing, but if Coinbase did this, I probably might try or something, because you could arbitrage, right? I guarantee you guys are going to come out with the arbitrage bots. Yeah, like arbitrage, Bitcoin is different prices on different exchanges. So if I can if I can trade on different exchanges in one interface, yeah, on BitMEX, a Bitcoin is usually $300 more than on Binance, right? And that's why CoinMarketCap took BitMEX's prices out of the price that we see. So like BitMEX is when I do the Bitcoin's prices, blah, blah, blah. Today, that doesn't include BitMEX's price because their price is $300 higher. Yeah, well, I could just go buy shit tons of Bitcoin on Binance and then just quickly arbitrage them over and sell them on on BitMEX for a quick $300 flip, right? So that's what I mean. Like, that's why this thing is kind of interesting. Like I said, this guy could get arrested at any moment. I don't know if you want to have your funds tied up in his thing here, but if a legal company comes out and does that, well, you know, like Gemini or Coinbase or Backed or something, hell yeah. All right, though. So McAfee Magic also gives traders the ability to execute shadow trades, a method that allows newcomers to copy or shadow the trading techniques of professionals. The website states, the magic is that novice traders are not required to fund trader accounts. Novices retain control over access to their funds at exchanges. Your keys, your crypto. That's McAfee Magic. All right. And then I guess this must be the logo here. McAfee Magic. I think it would be a little more glitzy. Anyways, who gives a shit? The project is quite different to most trading platforms, as the protocol itself provides access to 8 exchanges and allows for bot trading with over 500 digital currencies. Arbitrage like a motherfucker. McAfee Magic, and you know what arbitrage is, right? If you have an arbitrage bot, yeah, all it does all day long is compare the prices of different assets on different exchanges. And if there's a price discrepancy, it just makes the trade for you. It just makes money for you all day. Look. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's why I'm reading this. Like, if you can get an arbitrage bot with access to 8 exchanges prices, look. Especially with the price discrepancies of Bitcoin being hundreds of dollars at a time sometimes. That's money, dog. That is money. All right. To 8 exchanges and allows for bot trading with over 500 digital currencies. McAfee Magic is powered by an ERC20 token called Arbitrage. Oh, it's literally called Arbitrage? Nice. And the website's FAQ says that the site is operational in all jurisdictions. McAfee announced the service after a series of tweets revealing how he's been fleeing from the U.S. government and a Bahamian police officer. Oh, they talk about it here. Okay. Actually, I read about this in another article. Not the arbitrage part, but I read about that police thing. Oh, my gosh. He says they're trying to disappear him, you know, like trying to kidnap him. And so he's living on a boat right out here, like right out here in the Caribbean. And he goes into, yeah, like he's on a yacht. And he pulls up near shore. And then he has his crew go out, get supplies, you know, food, water, whatever they need. And then, yeah, and he lives out in the water out here. in I guess it must be international waters, right? 12 miles out from land is international waters. So I guess he's living out there. All right. So, which is kind of interesting because I don't know, how do you start a business and everything like that? A whole exchange and everything, and you're just living on a yacht. Right? Fleeing from the law. All right. So this is what McAfee says. This guy's crazy. Sorry to be late with my Magnus Opus trading platform, McAfee remarked on Monday, but I did not anticipate having to mud wrestle the Bahamas police commissioner along with dodging assassins this week. But better late than never. Here it is. So, in addition to the announcement, McAfee said that next week, crypto debit cards are coming. Oh, he's going to give a debit card for this thing. All right. So, blah, blah, blah. So, he's going to come up with his own coin. You can look at so that's the dashboard there. You'll be able to trade on different platforms, different currencies, blah, blah, blah. And it talks about it. If you care, like I tell you guys all the time, you know, I put the links to these stories in the description of the video. So just go to the link and it's right there. But let me look at let me just show you guys this though. Here are the platforms right here. So Binance, Kraken, Poloniex, Huobi, Bittrex, HitBTC, XMO, Livecoin, and Coinbean. So those are pretty big names. And yeah, man. So if you have, like I said, man, if you have if you can get your hands on an arbitrage bot and plug it into this guy's platform, yeah, you can just have that bot making money for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 24 hours a fucking day, 7 days a fucking week, man. Yeah. Actually, I might have to look into that. I would do that. I'd put a bot out there just to arbitrage. Because arbitrage is just straight buy and sell, like instantly. Buy and sell. You buy it over there, you sell it over there. Instant, you know, like it could be anything, you know. I don't know. Let's look at some prices here. Let's look at some stuff. Right? Like, so if I did it, you know, I'm not going to throw money in to do Bitcoin arbitrage, but Ethereum arbitrage or Litecoin arbitrage, sure. Right? Like an Ethereum is 264.54 right now. Sure, if you can get it for 254 somewhere else, or even just 260, fuck it. Yeah, the computer will just make that trade for you all day. Like, yeah, until the price matches, and then it stops doing it. You just keep making money all the time. Oh, Lee, you understand what I'm saying, how arbitrage works, right? Your computer buys it. Hold on, let me show you the thing here. Actually, this story is a lot more interesting than I thought it was going to be when I first was going to tell you this. So you buy the coin right here on Binance, and say on Kraken, it's $5 more. Yeah, so your bot will just keep doing that all day, right? It'll buy the coin over there, buy it on Binance, sell it on Kraken, you know, take the money back over here, and just keep doing that. Look, the more I'm sitting here talking to you about it, actually I'm becoming a little excited about it, to tell you the truth. And it's not even the fuel, because I haven't even begun to be fueled yet. I'm not really feeling to get fueled tonight, to tell you the truth. Yeah, it's not every night you feel like it. But look. But you see that, though, guys? Listen, man. If anyone hears of an arbitrage bot, you fucking comment or tweet me, all right? This is serious. Hell yeah. I know Bob wanted to do arbitrage last year. He was looking for a bot. Or he wanted to code his own bot. One of the brothers here. I'm sure you could just fucking buy him now, though. Fuck that. It'll probably cost you a couple $100. And you'll have this thing just making money for you 24/7. Ugh. All right, so blah, 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 blah. So the new platform follows a few of the other projects under McAfee's belt that he has initiated over the last few months. For instance, McAfee helped launch the BitFi wallet, but he's also launching a cryptocurrency called Freedom Coin. The coin is quite interesting, as the website declares that McAfee's Freedom Coin is not by any means a technology breakthrough. There you go. Be honest about it. Yeah, this ain't some big old breakthrough. It's just a coin with my name on it, motherfuckers. But it works. The value of the coin will always be zero in relation to any other currency. Yet its natural market value is free completely to grow, explains the website. All right, that's some weird stuff. And then he talks, you know, and this is just a bunch of more of his crazy stuff, so we're not going to get into that. So, yeah, but, you know, I wanted to talk to you about the seriousness of it. The money part is, yeah, man, there it is. So there's the interface, bang, bang, right there. And then, bang, here are the 8 exchanges. And like I said, man, I mean, like I said, though, it's McAfee, and so the guy could get arrested at any moment, taken down by Interpol in international waters. So I don't know how long this thing is even going to last. But fuck, though. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. If you can get, because it says, and then that's what's awesome about it, right? Is he specifically says that about the bots. Like he says it, yeah, you can either, you know, the magic is being able to quickly make a trade while your preset automated bots make hundreds of trades for you on different trading platforms. Exactly. That's deadly, guys. That is really deadly. You set up a bot and just, it just arbitrages for you all day, all night, 24/7 for the rest of your life. Yes, brothers. Yes, brothers. So that's great. All right, I'm gonna keep eyes on it, and I'll keep you updated. It's John McAfee, though. Like I said, man, the motherfucker could get arrested anytime, and then what? You know? All right, though. So amazing, though. All right then. Bang. Let's get to some money talk. Look. Grayscale. So Grayscale is the biggest crypto asset manager in the world. I mean, when you see the numbers, it's quite pathetic, but I guess for crypto, it's a big deal, right? There aren't any crypto asset managers. Like, for instance, Fidelity is an asset manager with $5 trillion under management. Yeah, this is nothing like that. This is, Fidelity could just eat Grayscale, probably a couple of Grayscales for snacks. So it's nothing like that. But what it is good for, and the reason I'm bringing up the story is that, it just shows that there's an influx of money, right? We read about the CME the other day, right? The Bitcoin futures, right? They said they've been having record numbers, and then stuff like this, right? Obviously, hedge fund investors coming in. So that's institutional guys, right? So it shows the influx of institutional money coming, and also, we know that next month Backed is coming out, right? We read about that yesterday, right? Yeah, right, on the 22nd of next month. And so, right, and Backed will bring the real institutions. It's owned by the New York Stock Exchange company, ICE, right? So I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to tie together all these different avenues where the institutions can onboard into this market. You see what I'm saying? You can onboard through CME futures, which are cash-settled futures contracts, Bitcoin futures contracts. Backed is going to come out next month. You will be able to onboard with physically settled futures contracts, monthly and daily futures contracts. And then like this, right, with Grayscale, the hedge funds are coming in and buying stuff and being like, yo, hodl my goods, right? So you see they're onboarding. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what I'm trying to show you, right? The different angles of our institutional money coming. All right. Let me get a quick sip. So Grayscale. Hedge fund investments in Bitcoin and crypto booming, up 2,300% in 2019. Yes. All right, let's check it out. The director of sales and business development at Grayscale, the world's largest cryptocurrency asset manager with $1.2 billion under management. So you see, it's only $1.2 billion, right? So, that ain't much, but I mean, for the crypto market, that's a lot, right? Because the whole market is only, what are we at? Oh, here it is right here. Yeah, we're only at 272 billion right now, so it's a lot for crypto. Where are we? Affirms that institutional investors are moving into the space. Yes. In an interview on Block TV, Rehanan Sharif Askari says, we put out our Q1 investment report that discusses the kind of investors we're seeing. We saw a few interesting themes. 2018, we're clearly in a bear market. You look at the last quarter of 2018, institutions, specifically hedge funds, yes, the cowboys of the market, it was a negligible amount of influx. Q1 of 2019, we raised over $43 million. Bang. So, again, these are obviously small-time hedge funds in the millions of dollars only, but when those hedge funds start showing returns, they'll onboard more clients, and obviously they'll onboard their clients' money to Grayscale and so on and so forth, right? So Grayscale experienced a 42% uptick in product inflows quarter over quarter, from 30.1 million in the fourth quarter of 2018 to 42 million in the first quarter of 2019. The firm reports a major ramp-up from hedge funds with investments in Q1 2019 totaling $24 million, up 2,300%. Exactly. The hedge fund boys are coming. They're the first. They're the first. Because, like, the real, regular, like, the true big money we're waiting for, yeah, dude, they're not going to come here until everything is full-on regulated. Like, the back thing, next month, yo, like, they'll come for that. Like, because you wonder, right? You're like, Shmori, man, why aren't the institutions coming? You know, these institutions, they can trade on Coinbase and stuff. Yeah, they're not going to do that, man. Coinbase is a little tech nerd bullshit. Like, they're not going to do that. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, they make billions, so they don't need to take some sort of risk. You know what I mean? Unless shit is fully solid, they're like, I don't care. I'll make $1 billion over here, right? Like, they don't care. So you have to entice them to come, you know? And so that's why Bakkt is going to be amazing, because when Bakkt comes online, well, first of all, the ones who gave the Bakkt guy the yap to make him self-certified, they'll be online. Yeah, and when all of those guys start making money, then those big institutions, the proper institutions, will onboard with Bakkt. You know, I mean, if they want futures contracts, I mean, if they're not futures traders, they're not going to go. But I mean, just, you know what I mean? Yeah. And so that's what makes Bakkt so beautiful, right? Like, big companies will come on board next month, man. Oh, hey. All right, Grayscale experienced. Oh, we talked about all this. Blah, blah. So here's the report. If you really care about each number, you can go read it here. Told you I put the links in the thing. So Sharif Asghari says investors have been waiting patiently. We are seeing an expansion of the investor base from family offices and wealthy individuals into more institutional investors who've been patient over the 2017 bull market and before, and are now taking a look at the world, and they see a world where there is value, where the infrastructure is in place. Exactly, the infrastructure, that's what I'm talking about. Where is in place for this to become a viable asset class. Exactly. What did I tell you what brought me here? What brought me to the crypto world? Yeah, my friends were yapping about this shit to me from 2011. Yeah. When I saw Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum on the Bloomberg terminal in 2017 December, yeah, fuckstick. Yeah, this show started January 2018. 2 months later. Yeah, once I saw it on the Bloomberg terminal, it became real. You know it's real if you know anything, you know, about markets and stuff. And that's exactly what this guy's saying, is that now they're seeing it. Now they're seeing the infrastructure is in place, and this has become a viable asset class. This is the real deal. Their money is going to be pouring in. And remember this, these first hedge fund guys are always the cowboys because they're allowed to do whatever they want, right? Yeah, and once they start making money, their buddies start seeing them making money, they're all going to pour in. They're, you know, it's contagious. Making money is contagious. So, good news for us, brothers. Bang. Yes. Now, Binance. All right, so this is the thing. Yes, okay, so settle down, everybody. Settle down. Binance to stop serving U.S. traders following announcement of a U.S. dedicated platform. So all Binance is doing is, there's two companies now. There's going to be Binance Global and then Binance USA. So America, we're going to have to go to the Binance USA one. Oh, that's it. You know what I mean? That's it. It's no big deal. Like, it's not. Now, I know. But what coins are they going to be listing? And that's the truth. That's the truth. And there have been some reports about that already today. I don't know if I believe them, and that's why I didn't show them to you, because some guy, he said he has a list of the coins, but I don't know if I believe it. And so I'm not going to show that yet. I'll just wait for Binance to show us the coins, and then I'll show you the coins when we get it. But, all right, so that's all it is, man. So, you know, and this happens in September, so, you know, plenty of time to take your coins off there and whatnot. Put them on some Ledger Nanos. Wait for them to open up. But what's interesting about this platform is that it's going to be... All right, so let me read, because it might explain it here first. But if not, then I'll just tell you. So hold on. All right, hold on, actually. Let me just get a sip. Yeah, man. So this thing's going to be great, actually. Well, I'll just tell you right now, then. That gives me time to take a sip. It gives me an excuse. So, yeah. This new Binance, guess what? You're going to be able to onboard your fiat to it. Yes. It's going to be a direct competitor to Coinbase here in America. Here in America, like, I don't know about you guys, but, I mean, I'm sure there's other ways, but pretty much all I do is I put my money on Coinbase, I buy Ethereum, take my Ethereum to Coinbase, Binance, and then just buy the shit I want, right? That's sort of how I do it, you know? Well, not sort of. That's exactly how I do it, you know? My Coinbase is where I get my fiat into the market, and then I play around from there, right? Binance is going to allow you to onboard your fiat into the market. It's going to be a fiat to crypto exchange. And that's what's interesting, right? And so it's going to be a direct competitor to Coinbase. And also, what I'm happy about is, you know, Coinbase has sort of a very limited selection of coins you can buy right now, right? And hodl over there. So I'm interested to see, you know, the full roster of what Binance is going to bring to America. All right, let's read, and then I'll talk a little more. Hold on. All right, 1 second. Yeah, so, like, this is good news for us Americans. Well, I hope so. I mean, it depends on the coins that they list. All right, but let's just read first, and then I'll yap. Major crypto exchange Binance announced today, June 14th, that has updated its terms of use, which notably includes a restriction of services to United States-based individuals and corporate traders. Yeesh. The restriction follows yesterday's news that the company is launching a separate, fully regulated fiat to crypto platform for the U.S. market. So, see, they're just launching a Coinbase, right? Today's announcement provides a timeline for the new terms to come into effect, specifying that after 90 days, effective on September 12th, 2019, users who are not in accordance with Binance's terms of use will continue to have access to their wallets and funds, but will no longer be able to trade or deposit on Binance.com. Right, so I mean, I guess you'll still be able to move your stuff around a little bit, but, you know, with limited capabilities. Anyway, just take your shit off there. While the use of a virtual private network could ostensibly allow U.S. users to circumvent the new restrictions, withdrawals for non-verified users remain capped at up to 2 Bitcoin every 24 hours, worth $16,428 at press time. Sums above this threshold would require users to provide evidence that they are complying with the platform's term of use. In a tweet published yesterday, Binance CEO Zhangpeng Zhao said, of the new exchange's evolving global structure, some short-term pains may be necessary for long-term gains, and we always work hard to turn every short-term pain into a long-term gain. Oh, isn't that catchy? Earlier this month, it was reported that the decentralized exchange DEX, developed by Binance, will use geo-blocking to restrict website access to users in 29 countries, including the U.S. As Cointelegraph has previously reported, CZ revealed in September 2018 that the company intends to launch 5 to 10 fiat to crypto exchanges. So this was already coming. Like, he already said that. He wants to make Binances in like 5 to 10 countries. It even says right here, 2 per continent within 1 year, without specifying the exact locations. So the firm has to date launched fiat crypto platforms in Uganda. Oh, they have. Okay. You didn't read this, dog? Not the whole thing. I mean, I read other articles, but of the same story, but not this particular article. And the other stories didn't tell me about that. I know. Sometimes it seems like I don't read stuff to you guys before I read them to you, but I do. But sometimes I read them on other stories, right? Like from another website. And so, you know, another website will have better information like this one. So bang, I didn't know this part. So the firm has already launched fiat to crypto platforms in Uganda. So it's become a Coinbase in Uganda, Singapore, and Jersey, with support for a limited range of cryptocurrency. Limited range. This is the dilemma. This is the dilemma. As reported yesterday, Binance is establishing its U.S. partnership with BAM Trading Services, which is approved by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. So it's already approved here in America. In June, Binance revealed that it would be issuing its own stablecoins pegged at different fiat currencies, but with the exception of the U.S. dollar. So that's what's going to happen now. See this BAM Trading Services. Now, boom, I'm going to show you guys about who these guys are a little bit. You guys know I like to dig around and find out, well, who the fuck are these people? You got to dig around, man. You got to dig around to get the proper information. So we're going to read just about this BAM group that Binance is partnered with real quick. So bam. So here it is, a partnership with BAM. Bang. They haven't issued a timeline for the launch. Now, the company announced its partnership with BAM Trading Services in setting up a new trading platform, Binance US. That's going to be the name of it, Binance US. Quite catchy. With the US customers as their target market, BAM will accommodate Binance US operations with the use of its wallet inclusive of matching engine technologies. Wait, which is wallets inclusive of... Right. All right. Well, that's what it says. So this just says most Binance clients come from China and the US. Actually, I think they have a chart. Oh, they don't have the chart? All right. Another thing I did had the chart. I think it's 14% come from the US. So BAM is registered. I didn't highlight this part, but BAM is registered with FinCEN. All right. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Blah, blah, blah. And then this is just what the guy said. BAM will serve the U.S. market in full regulatory compliance. So why this is also beautiful, guys, is that, yeah, if you're American, well, if you put money in here, you're FDIC insured. Yeah, you're insured up to $250,000. So if they get hacked and your blah, blah, blah coin gets stolen, well, as long as it's less than $250,000 worth, yeah, you get your money back. And so, black, that's awesome. According to the terms provided by the Money Services Business registration, the company's listing only allows it to carry out business in the state of California. Well, I'm sure they're going to be more than that. I mean, obviously, they're going to go for compliance in other places. So, a press release revealed a BAM Trading Services representative who remained anonymous, stating that the partnership with Binance was an honor, giving leverage to its technology in tandem, as well as their Tier 1 security. So it's super secure, Tier 1. Nice. The representative, who still maintained anonymity, further affirmed their commitment to assuring that they lead Binance in complying with the full regulations to tap the U.S. market, as well as providing a platform that is compliant and bang, 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 secure. The guy said, what did he say right here? He said, look, we have Tier 1 security. Yeah, that's like government grade. You know what I mean? Military grade. So awesome. All right. So guys, don't worry about this. Boom. Oops. Don't worry about this crap. Binance is stopping. We're not going to be allowed to be on the Binance Global. Yeah, they're going to build us a whole fresh Binance America. Binance USA, man. We're going to be FDIC insured. This company's got Tier 1 security. I mean, not that matters when you're FDIC insured. You hackers can steal all you want. I get my money back, so I don't really give a shit. And so that's great. Do you understand? That is great. It is wonderful. Now, I know. Shmoy, you always saying but. I know, fuck sticks. But, it's just life. Now, the only problem is, which coins are we going to get to buy? Yes. I know. And I saw this report today. I told you guys. I saw a report, and the guy, he listed the coins that he said won't be on there. And IOTA was one of them. I'm an IOTA lover. That rubbed me the wrong way. I didn't like that. And so, but I'm going to wait. I'll get the official list, and then bang, obviously I'll bring it out here and we'll get it. But this is amazing news for us Americans in terms of security and financial security. We get hacked, no problem, we get the money back. And then we'll just wait and see what coins we get. But bang, there you go, Binance. Look. All right, let's do some shout outs. Bang, yeah. Yeah, it's my favorite logo. Boom, see with the earth. Yes. All right, notifications. What do we got? What do we got? All right, here's all the usual suspects. Look. Hurricane Master. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Boom. Jamal Asim. See you, brother. Bang. Kong. Oh, yes, Kong. He's feeling, look at Kong. He's feeling that money. Oh, it's flowing through him now. Look at him. He's got backed. He's got NASDAQ up there. He's got He's got Fidelity. Kong's getting his money groove on. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. He understands. Here it comes. Look. Bang. Yes. Yes, indeed, Kong. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. All right. Yes, Kong understands. Moon landing, 420. Bang, bang. Look. Bang. See you, brother. Sweetie. Stallion. Bang. See you, girl. And kisses. Yes. Yes, got to get some sugar when you can. Edwin. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Radster. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. What we got here? Niles Leon. What's his thing? The channel about cryptocurrency news, about high technologies, medicine, robotics, and space. For donations, XRP to bang, bang, bang. Oh, Ripple lover. All right. Well, look. That's good enough, brother. Nils Leon, see you, brother. Bang. Benham, love you, brother. Bang. Bob, bang. See you, brother. Son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Ronquez. Bang. DP Entertainment. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. What we got? Robert. What's he talking about? Hodl. Yes. Mass adoption. All right. Tron. True. BTT. Why not? Tube. All right. Funfair. Theta. T-Fuel. LTC. BTC. Friendster. Look. Bang. See you, brother. Great. Crypto mug investors. All right. What do we got? What's this saying? Guy's got a sleeveless shirt on. It's not really the investor look, brother. I mean, I appreciate it. I mean, look how shitty I look. And I kick ass every day. So I understand. A motherfucker can kick ass looking however he wants. I mean, Anyway, what are we talking about? We are the crypto mug investors. Expand your mind and join our podcast. YouTube channel link. Bang. All right. Look. Bang. See you, brothers. Chamber. All right. Co-host of the Wrecked podcast. Oh, I heard about your podcast, buddy. Oh, Wrecked podcast. Yeah, man. I read a tweet about you. Well, all right, buddy. I suppose it's some sort of honor to have you here or something. Co-host of the Wrecked podcast with Bunch of Bets and Bunch of Bets, Women of Crypto. Also a subpar altcoin trader. Yes. Well, all right. Bang. Look. Glad to have you, man. I read about you. Well, I read about that Wrecked thing. Yes. Oh, actually, I read about it from Radster. That's right. Radster gave something and told someone my show was good, and then the Wrecked thing. All right. Good. Brendan C. Yes, girl. See you. Bang. Look. She looks like a spy, right? She's got her sunglasses on indoors. Like, come on, sweetie. Look. Bang. See you. Oh, yes. You know my favorite. Look. Here comes the money. Boom. Back is coming next month, brothers. Let's hope we get a good old boom. And yes. Boom. Just for the fun of it, that last one. All right. All right, is that everybody? That's everyone, the usual suspects. Hold on, we got Ryan. Ryan, see you, brother. Bang. Look. All right, that's everybody. Good, good. All right, let's get you back to your wives. Bang, and lives. Look, let's summarize it. Get you home for the weekend. Look. Well, all right, brothers. Yes. As usual, it was a spectacular show. You're welcome. All right. But the stories we did today, so I love being an arrogant fuck. That's funny. I like that. I enjoy doing that. All right, though. Listen. John McAfee launches the trading platform. Now, the guy's a little crazy. He's a little crazy. Yeah, but it takes a crazy man to come up with the idea he just did. Yeah. Oh, you want to trade some platforms, motherfucker? Oh, you want to run some bots? Uncle McAfee's got you. Oh, shit. Yes. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. It takes a crazed motherfucker to think about shit like that. He knows. He even called it arbitrage. I didn't read this article. That was amazing. Obviously, as soon as I heard eight exchanges with bots, yeah, that's the first thing that went through my head. Oh, I'll arbitrage this whole motherfucker. I'll arbitrage this whole place. He literally called it arbitrage. Yeah, so that shows you he's a smart guy. Yes, because I'm smart. And see, that's what I thought of. That's what he thought of. Look. And so, yeah, man, like, I don't know, man. It might be fun just to, I don't know, maybe try to find an arbitrage bot and, I don't know, just, you just throw a few $100 in there, or a couple G's maybe, just to get the bot started. Because it just all day and it keeps building on itself, right? Like your account just keeps growing. And you can do the parameters. You could tell it, when the price gets above, $4 or whatever, buy, do it, make the trades or whatever. Once it gets under $4, stop or something like that. You can configure these things. I mean, I've never used a bot. I'm a manual. I trade manually. I don't use. I mean, I have the trend scanner, but that doesn't trade for me, right? It just shows me what's trending. But yeah, man. So I really want to emphasize this. This McAfee thing could be interesting. You throw a couple G on that, even a couple hundred, man, and because remember, it doesn't have to just trade large caps. You could tell those bots to arbitrage probably whatever coin you want, right? So if you can find a coin that is listed on all 8 of those exchanges and at like even a cheap price, well, now you're really in business. You know what I mean? Just I'm going to keep you posted on this, man. I'm actually, as I'm talking to you guys about it, I'm becoming more intrigued. And actually, that's a viable way to make some money, man. It's just the guy, like I said, like the fucking guy, he's wanted by Interpol and shit. And so, how long is he going to stay out of jail for? Like, do you understand what I'm saying? It's like, imagine Al Capone. Here, Al Capone was a famous mobster in America, right? He opens an exchange and you're like, well, fuck, that idea is so good. Yeah, but how long until the FBI catches the guy, right? All right, I've been harping on that one a lot, a long while there, but that's how deep it is. Just having arbitrage bots all day long, just all day long. While you're at work, making your spreadsheets for your boss, yeah, your bot's at home, just arbitraging for you. Yeah. Okay, man. All right, let me stop. I think you get the point. I'm just excited about that now. Fuck, I wish this guy wasn't such a criminal. Why couldn't, Zuckerberg have come out with it? Or anybody. Justin's son, you fuckstick. Come on, buddy. All right. So anyways, all right. Then Grayscale. All right, let me give you back to your wives and lives. Grayscale hedge fund. See $2,300, 23% rise in their hedge fund investment. Bang, that's amazing. That shows that the institutional money is truly on the way. So, I mean, like I've been telling you since last year, it would be, but look, I like to prove it to you. Boom, the trickle has begun. Now, and then Binance. So the Binance trading thing. All right. We're not going to be allowed on Binance Global. Binance is going to do something special. They're going to make a whole Binance America. Yeah, the rest of the world has to go on that global shit. Yes. We got our own FDIC insured one. Look, so that's better than being on that global one, I'll tell you that. So, they're under American regulation here. Yeah, so the shenanigans will be limited in scope. Look, if any. So there it is, guys. Oh, let's get you back to your wives' lives. Get you to your weekend. Bang, subscribe below, press the bell. Press the bell and you get automatic notifications when I do these. I love doing them for you. It's my favorite time of my day. I love talking money. Love talking crypto. Look. My name's Shamari Clark. Bang, I'm always on duty. Bang, look. All right, see you guys next Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your loved ones. Enjoy your weekend. Shamari Clark. Bang. Over and out.